Hey guys, my name is Benley Bernard. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a scratch character go in front or behind an object when moving around. Alright, to start off, you're going to need some kind of coding to move your character. You can use what I use here, the arrow keys, or you can use your mouse pointer. Now that you guys have some kind of movement, you're going to want to go to events and get your starting block. Once you have your starting block in, the next code you want to add in is the forever block. So go to controls and add a forever block, and then you're gonna want to add an if then else statement in here. The next blocks you guys are going to want to add is in the operators. There's two very similar blocks here. You're going to want to grab the first out of the two. This symbol is a greater than symbol. What it's basically saying, if whatever's in this circle is greater than whatever's in this circle, it will start running the command. In this first circle here, the first block you're going to want to be looking for is going to be in the motion tab. It's going to be the Y position. The Y position is basically the Y axis of the canvas. So as you guys can see, there's a Y here. The Y is the up and down. The next block you guys are going to want to add into this circle is going to be in the sensing tab. It's going to be the backdrop of stage block. This is where you guys are going to want to add in your sprite. I'm going to be using a bush I used on the internet. So this one here, I'm going to move this around, make it a good size. Now that we have our bush costume in our scratch, you can now go into here and select the bush. And from here, you have the option of selecting the X or Y axis. You're going to want to click the Y position. What this full code is saying is if the Y position of the cat is greater than the Y position of the bush, we're going to want to make it change layers and make it go behind the bush. So to do that, we're going to want to go to looks and select the go to front or back layer block. This block can change the layer of the sprite. It can make it go in front or behind another sprite. For the first layer block, you're going to want to make sure it's on back though. If we test this out, you can see that it does somewhat work, but as you can see, only like when it gets halfway through kind of, it goes behind it and then it goes in front of it. To change this, you're going to want to go to the costume of the bush. Once you're in here, you want to convert to vector. And basically you can see here, if I select the image, you can see the middle point. It's the scope looking crosshair. So you're going to make sure that your costume is above that scope looking crosshair. So just like this, right above it. As you can see, it's now above it. By doing that, I had to decrease the size of my bush. I'm going to have to bump it up again over here. There you go, that's a lot better. Now it goes perfectly behind the bush as soon as it's the same height as the bush. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to change the stacking order by making your scratch character go in front or behind another costume. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed.
For more beginner level Scratch tutorials, visit our Scratch Basics homepage at chromeworks.ca/basics.